All TechBubble Technologies customer projects are managed via ARC, the TechBubble GUI, which is a central control panel that allows businesses to manage all of their TechBubble Technologies projects and systems. TechBubble Technologies customers can access ARC via any page on the website by hovering over the ARC menu item and selecting Dashboard. This will bring you to the main ARC project login area. At this moment, only selected beta testers have access to ARC. All of the customers at this point should log in through the main TechBubble GUI as normal. Each TechBubble Technologies project has its own login information. On this page, you will need to put in the project that you are logging into. This information will be sent to you with your project login details. And you will need to put in your specific project username and password. If you have forgotten your password for a particular project, you can click on the I forgot my password link, or if you've forgotten your username, you can click on I forgot my username. There you will need to put in the project that you have forgotten your information for and your email address, and the system will send you a new password or send you your username. Once you have entered your relevant project login information, click on the Sign In button.
Welcome back to ARC, Adam Milton Barker.
You are now located on the ARC dashboard for the project that you logged into. Everything that you have access to here is related only to the project that you are logged into. If you have multiple projects, you need to log into the relevant project via the login area that you just saw on the previous clip. On the left hand side, you have access to all of the features that are available through this project. In the main window, you can see your team members, and you have access to all of the systems that you have permissions to through this project. In this video, I will quickly go through the core features of the ARC GUI, and in other videos I will go into more detail about each one of these features. From the menu on the left hand side, you have account details, which is where you can update your account details for this project. Then you have account security, which is a record of your successful logins to your project account, a record of your failed logins, and a record of all reset password attempts. If you're a project administrator, you will have access to this area. Inside here, you can update the hybrid settings, which are things like the metadata for your hybrid application, terms and conditions, privacy policy. Then you have social settings, which allow you to connect your hybrid application to your social media accounts. Then you have user accounts, which allows you to manage existing user accounts, inactive user accounts, allows you to create new users, and allows you to view all user logins to the project and all failed user logins to the project. In the Create User and Manage Active and Inactive Users, you can set permissions that allow users to access certain areas of the GUI, and you can also convert users into project administrators. Then you have access to the project email accounts. In this area, you can access existing email accounts, you can create new email accounts, you can access email forwarders, and you can create new email forwarders. All users have access to project jobs. Every system that is developed by TechBubble Technologies has a jobs area which allows users to create jobs for other users. In this section, it is an overall section which groups together all of the jobs from all the different systems. You have a jobs calendar, you have a list of all active jobs, you have a list of all completed jobs, you have a list of any jobs that are not completed and are overdue, and you have a list of cancelled jobs. You also have access to the project diary area, which is very similar to jobs and has the same features. A calendar, active diary entries, completed diary entries, missed diary entries, and cancelled diary entries. Some systems developed by TechBubble Technologies have email features. This area groups together all of the emails from all of the systems and gives you access to those particular emails. You have an emails inbox, you have read emails, and you have sent emails. These areas are where you can manage the applications or the systems that your project has. For instance, in the hybrid systems, you may have a photo gallery, and this would be where you can manage your photo gallery. TechBubble Technologies provide many different types of hybrid systems, such as blog systems, staff profile systems, YouTube video systems. There's a wide range of systems that are available through this area, and if you have purchased those, this is the area that you will handle those. Then you have business administration systems. TechBubble Technologies offers a number of off-the-shelf business administration systems, but we also create totally bespoke and custom business administration systems, and this is the area where you will manage those systems. Then we have the desktop systems, which is where you would manage any desktop applications. The idea behind ARC is that a business can manage all of their different types of systems from one central location. So if you had a desktop system such as a Windows application or a Mac application, you would be able to manage it via this control panel here. The same for mobile systems, so if you have Android or iOS applications, you will be able to manage them in that area. Then you have the AI systems area. This is where you will be able to handle and manage any AI applications such as the AI e-commerce system and other artificial intelligence related systems. Over on the top right of the window, you have access to any active jobs. You also have access to any active diary entries, and you have access to any emails. You have quick access through to your account, quick access through to your jobs and diary, and also through to your project profile.